Hello everyone, welcome back to Review by Juju, a show where I review all this designer stuff that we cannot afford, but somehow we managed to get them in only just 3 minutes. And today we're gonna be reviewing this little piece of have a look. Okay, this episode goes out to all the girls out there, including me, who can only afford the smallest piece from this high-end designer stuff. I feel you guys. Okay, for your information, I bought this thing from Farfetch. This just arrived at my door this morning, and it comes in a plain brown box, and inside that box, there's this. So let's have a look what's inside this black dust bag. The Balenciaga product itself. An invoice from Farfetch. A sticker. Alright, I bought this thing for 450 Australian dollars, including $10 delivery fee. On this box, there should be a white sticker attached to the box. That's the serial numbers that should match with the numbers on the invoice. Alright, now let's have a look what's inside this box. Balenciaga dust bag. Also, the authenticity card. This is so important. And also, there's this small card says the controlado. It's Balenciaga on one side and controlado with numbers on the other side. Have no idea what that is, to be honest. You don't want to miss that. We live for that smell of the calf leather. So, there you go. Inside the pouch, there should be the wallet, of course, and another tag from Farfetch. Alright guys, so on one side, there should be embossed Balenciaga logo. And on the other side, there should be 4 card slots. So 1 slots, 2, 3, and 4. So if you like unzip it, there's this pouch for you to put coins or dollar notes. On the Balenciaga side, there should be a serial number. So it should be attached on this side. On this Balenciaga side, and on the other side, on the card slot side, there should be Balenciaga embossed. It comes with the detachable strap as well. As you can see, it's so easy. There you go. I don't know if you can see that, but should be Balenciaga writing on the ring. I'm going to put it under my body to give you an idea of how it looked like. There you go. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm 168 high, and it's just right under my waist. Alright bitches, that's it for today. Make sure you like this video, you subscribe my YouTube channel so I can get more money from YouTube, then I can buy another designer piece of shit so I can show you off. Thanks for watching and bye bye.